After a slight delay, the second trial of Agababa resumed with testimony regarding Shelley Bernstein's life insurance policies, death benefits, and, as PNC's Jolene Tovez reports, an alleged murder plot and confession.
The people called to the stand Norma Yoshida, a former United Airlines Health and Wellness Benefits Administrator who handled the administration of Bernstein's work benefits. Alan and his brother Dusty stood to inherit between $700,000 and $800,000 if Bernstein had died of natural causes. But to her knowledge, she is unaware if any of Bernstein's death benefits were paid out. She did recall that prior to Bernstein's death, the long-term disability benefits were utilized, but the checks were never cashed, as each were returned to sender as a result of an incorrect address. In court, Yoshida recalled that she met with Alan Agababa and his brother Dusty the day after his mother's death, inquiring about the benefits and a United Airlines uniform.
No, I believe he came in like one or two other times.
And what were those meetings or conversations about?
He called me once for his mom's uniform. I think he either came in or called me another time to advise me about the mom's death certificate.
The defense argued that Agababa was just doing as she instructed him to, and that he made her aware that they needed funding to bury his mother. But the plot thickens, as next to testify was a convicted burglar who alleges that Agababa asked for his help in the plot to solve, quote, an inheritance issue, end quote. According to Bobby Hall Guerrero, he worked with Agababa at Genghis Khan for a few days, when he says Agababa told him he would pay him $4,000 if Guerrero helped him get a gun or chemicals. Guerrero recalled that one of the items on the list was anthrax.
Mr. Ishizaki at first was talking to Jackie's husband, the one who said he was from Homeland Security, and we're making a joke about it because when I handed him the list of chemicals, he said something to the effect of, well, you know, it's too bad I don't have my fingerprint kit with me.
But defense attorney Curtis Vandeveld argued that the joke made by the FBI agents was made because they believed that Guerrero, not Agababa, wrote the list. Then came testimony of an alleged confession made to Randall Fulcher Jr., who has yet to take the stand. His ex-wife, Leahaloha Robertson, told jurors that Agababa came to her home, which she shared with Fulcher, and confessed to him, quote, "I killed my mother," end quote. She further testified that she and Fulcher drove down to the Elik Bridge in Jotnia, where Fulcher got out of the car with a plastic bag, and when he returned to the car, the bag was gone. She stated that she did not hear the conversation between the two men, nor did she know what was in the bag, but she did say that Fulcher instructed her not to tell anyone that Agababa had visited their home. Reporting for PNC News, I'm Jolene Tovez.